The worst thing a retiree can buy is a car that becomes a money pit, or one they struggle to get in and out of. And while Toyota is the reliability king, not every Toyota is a smart buy right now. Finding the right Toyota for senior drivers starts with a simple test. Is it easy to live with every day? That means a car with a gentle ride, a seat you can slide into without a climb or a crouch, controls that make sense, and a reputation for not breaking down or draining your wallet. 3 new Toyota sedans stand out when you run them through this filter. The Crown Signia, Toyota's newest hybrid, brings a premium feel with a quiet ride and wide door openings. The step-in height measures about 13 inches, so most folks can sit without a struggle. Toyota safety. Sense 3.0 comes standard, offering peace of mind with features like lane keeping and automatic emergency braking. The hybrid setup skips the turbo, so you get smooth power and about 38 miles per gallon. The price is higher than most Toyotas, but its strong resale value helps soften the blow over time. For drivers who want simplicity and top-notch fuel savings, the Corolla Hybrid is hard to beat. It gets 52 miles per gallon combined and is a breeze to park in tight spots. The trade-off is a smaller back seat, so it's best if you rarely carry taller passengers in the rear. The Camry Hybrid lands right in the middle. It offers a smooth, quiet drive with 46 to 48 miles per gallon and a seat height that is easy for most seniors to manage. Recent models have more straightforward buttons and shortcuts, cutting down on screen hunting and distraction. All 3 of these sedans deliver what matters most: comfort, reliability, and low running costs, without the headaches or surprises that can come with flashier new tech. Sliding doors and a 14-inch step-in make the Sienna Hybrid a standout for families needing easy access. Seniors and caregivers benefit from wide power doors and a flexible second row, updated in 2024 with sliding captain's chairs and a stowable bench. The Sienna's hybrid system delivers 36 miles per gallon, handling daily errands or medical equipment with little effort. Supply shortages remain the main obstacle, as high demand keeps wait times long. The Grand Highlander Hybrid, with its higher seating and 3-row layout, offers a more upright position and 35 miles per gallon, while its hybrid powertrain ensures smoother low-speed driving than the non-hybrid turbo. Mobility assessors note that sliding doors and raised seats reduce bending and twisting. As one caregiver shared, "I can load my husband's wheelchair without hurting my back. Getting him in and out is finally stress-free." The 2022 to 2024 Tundra and the 2023 to 2025 Sequoia mark a turning point for Toyota's reputation. Both rely on the V35A twin-turbo V6, which is now linked to hundreds of complaints and a major recall. Machining debris left inside the engine can wear down main bearings, leading to knocking, power loss, or even engine stall, sometimes as early as 15,000 miles, with many failures before 30,000 miles. For buyers expecting long-term reliability, this early trouble stands out. Toyota's recall and a class action lawsuit underline the seriousness, and repairs can leave owners without their trucks for weeks. Extended warranty coverage becomes less of a luxury and more of a safeguard against expensive repairs. Meanwhile, the new turbo hybrid Land Cruiser, 4Runner, and Tacoma show promise with their engines, but the transmission remains a question. The 2024 Tacoma iForce Max has already seen transmission failures. Careful inspection and extra coverage offer peace of mind as these new drivetrains prove themselves. The used Toyota market is where real-world experience counts for more than glossy brochures. Take the Venza Hybrid, for example. It is no longer in showrooms, but for seniors who find one, it is a quiet, smooth-riding crossover that feels almost like a Lexus, without the luxury badge or price. Margaret, a 68-year-old owner in Ohio, logged every oil change and tire rotation for a decade and spent less than $2,000 on routine upkeep. Her Venza's cabin stays whisper quiet, and she has never had to worry about major repairs or chasing down hard-to-find parts, at least so far. The only catch is its discontinued status. Down the road, parts or tech updates may become less convenient, but for now, it is a proven low-drama choice. For those who want something with a higher seating position and easy parking, the 2020 and newer RAV4 stands out. The hybrid version is especially appealing, with around 40 miles per gallon and a view over traffic that is hard to beat. Prices run higher than older models, but the combination of visibility, simple controls, and strong resale value makes it a smart buy for seniors who want confidence in every trip. If a 3-row is needed, the Highlander Hybrid from 2023 through 2026 is the pick before Toyota switched to turbo engines. These models deliver 35 miles per gallon and keep maintenance simple, with no major transmission complaints on record. The ride is gentle, and controls are straightforward enough for anyone who prefers buttons over screens. The used Camry Hybrid is the sedan that keeps proving itself. One California owner put 210,000 miles on his, averaging 54 miles per gallon, and spending just $420 a year on maintenance. Even after 200,000 miles, the hybrid battery stayed above 80% health, and there were no surprise breakdowns. That is the kind of track record that gives peace of mind, especially for seniors who want to avoid repair shop surprises. In short, a used Toyota is at its best when it has already shown it can go the distance. Proven reliability matters more than popularity or a low sticker price. Seniors looking for maximum value in an older Toyota can find real peace of mind in a few proven models if they know what to look for. The Avalon V6, built from 2013 through its final years, stands out as a full-size sedan that feels almost like a luxury car, but stays budget-friendly and reliable. Its 3.5-liter V6 is known for smooth power and a quiet ride, with seats that are easy to get in and out of, and controls that do not require a manual to figure out. The Avalon's simple, naturally aspirated engine avoids the complexity and repair risk of newer turbocharged setups. But there is a catch. The Avalon Hybrid from 2013 to 2018 is best skipped for budget shoppers. High-voltage battery packs in these hybrids often need replacement around 200,000 miles, and a $3,500 to $4,500 repair can wipe out any savings from the used price. For those who want a mid-size sedan, the Camry V6 XLE from 2012 to 2017 is another smart choice, especially if it comes with a full-service history. These Camrys offer comfortable seating, a strong reputation for reliability, and parts that are easy to find and affordable. If an SUV is on the list, the 2015 or 2016 Highlander V6 is the sweet spot. These models skip the newer turbo engines and complicated hybrid systems, instead delivering a gentle ride, good visibility, and plenty of space for grandkids or groceries. In this price range, the car's condition and maintenance history matter more than the year on the badge. A well-kept, regularly serviced Toyota will outlast a neglected newer one every time. These older V6 models work because they are straightforward, comfortable, and supported by years of proven parts and shop know-how, not just because they are cheap. Beneath the surface of many used Toyotas, costly problems can lurk. Fourth-generation 4Runners and Lexus GX470s, especially in the Midwest and Northeast, often hide frame rust that turns a bargain into a safety risk. Inspectors in Ohio and Michigan report deep corrosion on nearly a quarter of 4Runners checked, with repairs reaching $4,000 to $5,000. Sometimes that exceeds the vehicle's value. Tundras and Sequoias from Salt Belt states show similar issues. One Tundra, seemingly clean, revealed hidden frame cracks only after the body was lifted. Neglected second-generation Tundra V8s can become money pits, with oil leaks, wiring harness failures, and timing chain tensioner jobs piling up thousands of dollars in repairs. Modified Toyotas, especially those with lift kits, may mask alignment or suspension problems that surface after purchase. Temptingly cheap Lexus LS460s often carry the risk of air suspension repairs that can cost $1,500 per corner. Sometimes, the lowest price brings the highest repair anxiety. The 2020 to 2022 non-hybrid Highlander is the one to skip if you want to avoid a transmission headache. Owners have been hit with repair bills as high as $8,200 for early transmission failures, often with little warning and no help from expired warranties. To protect yourself, always ask for full service records before moving forward on any used Toyota. Pay for a pre-purchase inspection by an independent ASE-certified shop. These pros know where to look for hidden rust, shifting problems, and the real condition of a hybrid battery. One inspector put it simply: a clean frame and a smooth shifting transmission are worth more than a low price. Use their checklist and the repair history to separate well-kept cars from ones with hopeful stories. For any newer Toyota with a flagged powertrain, build the cost of an extended warranty into your budget instead of treating it as an extra. That coverage can turn a risky bet into a safe daily driver, especially for seniors on a fixed income. Right now, comfort, reliability, and low repair bills matter more than ever for seniors on the road. Choosing wisely can mean years of stress-free driving and real savings. Which Toyota do you drive? How many miles are on it? What model should we cover next? Hit subscribe for honest advice.